Welcome back to another walk around and test drive video at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's my father Chad, and this is a 1957 Chevy. And this car is fantastic. Personally, my favorite color on these 57s, that turquoise and white. It's got beautiful interior. 4-speed manual.
Yeah, it's got the right interior.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So many times on a Tri-5, they'll kind of change it up a little bit, but I like it. A nice engine bay too. I'll shut it off here in a second, but runs like a top.
Yeah, nice engine compartment. It's got a vintage air setup on it. Power brakes, power steering.
Yeah.
We just sent this thing out when it came in and got the front end aligned, but a really good, reliable car. Previous owner traded this one in. He was from southern Iowa, and he'd often drive it all the way up here to Clear Lake.
Wow.
So it tells you just about the drivability of it, and I can confirm that.
I don't know if you mentioned, but it's got a nice aluminum radiator. I love the paint on the firewall. They just did a nice job.
Yeah, they did. And these Tri-5s have so much chrome, and so it's important to have nice chrome, and this one really does. It's all shined up, looks great.
Couple little chips. Again, Dalton mentioned this is a driver. Here's your trunk, D. Your keys. It's got a few little chips here and there, like a couple there, tiny one here. Just really, really little stuff, guys. Show quality car through and through. Very straight 57 as well.
Nice.
And as Dee mentioned, even the bullets here are in great shape. The chrome's beautiful there. Back of the hood lines up beautifully, both sides. Top of the fender, top of the door, all is super smooth. Guy drove this one, so it's gonna have a few little chips, but wow, like I mentioned earlier, Dalton, show quality, isn't it?
It is.
Got some nice American Racing 17-inch wheels on the front, disc brakes on the front along with that power. Great gap. Chrome lines up beautiful right there. Just a little smudge right there, looks like. No bubbles, no blisters anywhere here on the passenger side. Gorgeous. The chrome lines up great here as well. I mean, you can't get it to line up any better than that.
Yeah. And the undercarriage on this one's very nice as well. I got pictures up on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Did a great job in the trunk too.
It's clean. Very, very clean. Yeah, not an overly restored car, just a nicely restored car, huh?
We got going on the highway right now.
I don't know.
So we just got rear-ended.
Beautiful chrome there. This is a 210 model, I think, D.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
A Bel Air would have had this in a gold.
Yep.
Which I like the 210.
I do too.
You know, with that, you know, the chrome versus the gold, I like that better, to be honest.
Especially with this color combo.
Yeah. You know, the dual exhaust sounds awesome, but it looks awesome as well. The glass, back glass is crystal clear. It's got one speaker in the back, all tinted glass, and it's just a nice, subtle tint. Nice two-tone. This needs just a little bit of glue here in this armrest. Right there in the corner. Just got just a little bit of a thing on there. Speaking of that, I was going to ask you, is that
He's supposed to be coming
interior
today.
guy coming
Yeah, I
today?
just remembered that too.
Good. Yeah, I just brought it to my mind. The silver dash is beautiful, goes really nice with the seats, and you can see just that little bit of like a turquoise hue in that interior, which really looks nice. Is that new door rubbers, or what is it? I don't know what that is over there. Headliner is in really good shape, but there is just a few little stains right over in that side. Dome light works. Back seat's good. Door panels are all matching nice. There's your vintage air under there. Got an old JVC AM FM radio, aftermarket gauges, Hurst 4-speed shifter. Those doors shut nice, don't they? And as we look up and down the side, the paint's nice and shiny. Looks good. Really nice metal all the way along the bottom of the car. Door sticks out just a little bit from the fender there. Not bad. Again, chrome's nice. A few paint touch-ups you're gonna see here, like little chips here that have been touched up. Well, even all the chrome around the belt molding and stuff's all really nice. Doors open and close, awesome. Some extra parts that kind of came with it. Looks like maybe it's a windshield rubber. That's what it is. Yeah, the windshield rubber's got a couple cracks in here, so it's got a new windshield rubber there for it. Carpet looks new. Doors are nice. One other important thing to talk about is it's got tilt wheel. I didn't notice that before. So tilt wheel's awful nice if you're a little bigger guy, wants to get behind the wheel, or if you like driving a cool car like a school bus.
Yep.
91,759 miles on the odometer. Let's see what works and what doesn't. That windshield's been replaced. That's crystal clear. And this black paint on the dash is gorgeous as well.
Nice. Yeah, I love these like 50s cars. Just when America still built beautiful things. You know, they had craftsmanship. So the guy said it always worked, and when we got it, just didn't. So I'm guessing it's probably something simple.
What do you mean? You mean like the
fan don't work? Maybe it's a fuse or something.
Oh, okay.
We'll have the guys
gas gauge works. Yeah, it'll have ice cold air when it leaves here. What else we got? Radio works, gas gauge
got
works.
a horn button down here.
Okay, cool. Oil pressure's at 50 right away. Wonder what happened there.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
But it moves nice and fast. Yeah, I know they are.
It'll work.
It'll work. This thing sounds great. Reverse. This is gonna, it's got, all these shifters are so.
Yeah.
This is let's see.
Smooth wider ratio. I really like having that 4-speed in here and how it drives. I didn't know how much I'd like a Tri-5 with a 4-speed. Most of them are all automatics. But I like it a lot. It shifts really good. You got that extra gear for going down the highway.
Yeah. Not sure exactly what we got for the wipers, D-Bird, do you? I don't know if that's the knob or not. If it is, it's not working. So right now the heater fan and the wipers aren't working.
Even as you mentioned already, I mean, all just the chrome and the paint and everything on the dash, they just didn't skimp anywhere. Did a really nice job.
I just love the feel. It's tight. I love the sound of that dual exhaust. This thing's got some snort, doesn't it?
It's got good power.
It drives nice. That alignment was awesome. Look at that. Brand new alignment. Goes straight down the road.
Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Take you right to the website with more photos and information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.